Hey bestie, Andy here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a very simple set and I've already done most of the prep work off camera. Now I'm just applying dehydrator and I'll follow that by a sticky bond and followed by primer. Then I'll get into the acrylic application. PC, I know I haven't been consistent with uploading videos. Please forgive me. I have been going through the most and I am trying to balance things, and yeah, I don't know when I'll be able to balance everything because right now I'm just all over the place, but I'm trying my best. To do everything that I have to do. So I'm thinking of posting videos every Sunday at 6 or 7 p.m. I'm not sure, but I'll let you know when I have decided because I get so busy during the week. Now it is time for my acrylic application and I always start by the cuticle area, and when I watch the video now, it does look like I put the acrylic on top of the skin, but I promise you it does not touch the skin. And I put it there and then gently pat it and tilt the finger down to let gravity help me with the acrylic application to drag down the acrylic, I think. And then I work my way down to the free edge, and if there is a need I will add more acrylic, but I try to use one beat method, especially when doing short nails. So here I had to add a little bit of acrylic. And also most of my nude acrylic colors I custom mix them, so that's why you'll find that I'm not sharing where I got it, because I mix most of the time. I use acrylic powders that I've mixed myself, but I mix acrylic powders that I got from Bling Girl. It's just the color, I custom mix my own color. Look at how clean the acrylic application is. Ooh, it's so clean. I am so proud of myself. So I went ahead off camera and filed and buffed the nails and cleaned the dust. So now I am applying the gel polish, and I didn't have the peach color, so I had to mix orange with white, and this is how it came out. I did apply I think 3 layers of the gel. So I got this brush that I'm using here from Shein, and it is double-sided. The other side is the one that I used to apply the gel, and the other side is the one that I'm using now, the smaller size, yeah, to make sure that the gel doesn't touch the cuticles, also to make sure that the application looks clean. So this is what I use mostly for my gel application, especially if I had to mix the colors. This is the brush that I use. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, bestie. I hope you are enjoying watching the video. So applied the top coat and cure that for 60 seconds, and then the set was giving AI, man. When you look at it, it's giving AI. There's no way this was done by me. Like, yo, I was so proud of myself. Yo, this set is giving everything it's supposed to give. It's giving everything. The client was so happy. I was so happy. I am super, super proud of myself. Thank you, bestie, for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Bye. Love you.